Class 12th, Chapter 10, Haloalkane and Haloarenes. Last time we studied about the physical properties, chemical properties, and next is the substitution reaction and what is their mechanism. Last time we studied about nucleophilic substitution reaction. So now we study about the mechanism. SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. SN1, that means SN1 unimolecular reaction performed in two steps, CH3 CH2 Br. These are reversible reaction and carbocation will be formed and bromide slow step reaction. This is the slow step reaction. These carbocation react with weak nucleophile. It gives alcohol. Fast step. This reaction is very fast. So rate of reaction become rate is equal to concentration of CH3 CH2 Br. This reaction is a first order kinetics. So in this way we study about that tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation and primary carbocation. In SN1 mechanism, in unimolecular reaction, primary gives less reactive than tertiary. Why? Because electron releasing group in tertiary carbocation give better result than secondary and primary. These are the SN2 mechanism. Biomolecular, this is a unimolecular, this is a biomolecular. First step, when alkyl halide react with nucleophile, it gives intermediate, leaving of halogen here and here addition of OH group. It gives alcohol, chloride will be released here. So rate of reaction become second order reaction. CH3CH2Cl, concentration of CH3CH2Cl, concentration of OH negative. This is the second order reaction. Order of reactivity is going to opposite during steric hindrance. Presence of bulky substituents on or near the alpha carbon atom tends to hinder the approach of nucleophile. Presence of bulky substituents on or near the alpha carbon atom tends to hinder the approach of nucleophile to the alpha carbon due to steric hindrance and thus make the reaction difficult to occur. So in this case, this is the opposite of SN1 mechanism. In this reaction, methyl group give better result than 3-degree carbocation. This is a 2-degree carbocation. This is 1 degree. This is a 2-degree carbocation. This is the 3-degree tertiary butyl 3-degree carbocation. Nucleophile attack here. It gives better result in SN2 mechanism. For SN2 reaction, tertiary halide is less reactive than secondary and primary halide give better result here. So order of reactivity is just reverse. Why? SN2 mechanism give steric hindrance. So due to alkyl halide, nucleophile does not attack properly. In tertiary halide, it are less reactive. Their order of reaction is less in case of tertiary halide. Next property is the elimination reaction. Second chemical property is beta elimination. Dehydrohalogenation. In class 11th we study about dehydrohalogenation. That means removal of hydrogen. D means removal of hydrogen and halogen. When we take CH3CH2Br, here is alpha carbon atom. It is a beta carbon atom. Alcoholic KOH, it gives alkene. If we have two beta carbon atom, to follow Setzer rule. CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3, beta 1, it gives unsymmetrical hydrocarbon atom. When we take beta 2, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, major product will be symmetrical in nature. Major product symmetrical में मिलेगा. इस तरीके से ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन बिकम R2C double bond O, Cr2, RCH double bond Cr2 is less reactive RCH double bond CHR. In this way we study about the Setzer rule. In this Setzer rule, we can understand the dehydrohalogenation. Reaction with alkali metal, reaction with magnesium to form Grignard reagent. When alkali halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether, it gives Grignard reagent RMgX. Here R is the methyl, magnesium is a metal and X is the halogen. CH3Br react with, when we take in a particular example, methyl bromide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether, it gives Grignard reagent. Second is the Wurtz reaction, NAM reaction. CH3Br react with sodium, react with again CH3Br in presence of dry ether, it gives ethane. Alkane plus twice NaBr, reduction in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, reducing agent. Reducing agent will be nickel, platinum, palladium. When when ethyl bromide is react with hydrogen, it gives reduction reaction and gives alkane. When we take zinc and copper couple, CH3, CH2Br, nascent hydrogen will be react here in presence of copper and zinc, it gives ethane. HI in red phosphorus, CH3, CH2I plus HI, it gives alkane plus iodine. Third, HI in red phosphorus, CH3, CH2I react with HI, CH3, CH3. Ethane will be formed and iodine gas will be removed. CH3, CH2Cl in presence of anhydrous LCl3, it gives CH3, CH